I couldn't believe that it was real, that I'd won. It was surreal.
I've never won anything like that, and I'm just very happy to be here.
I remember entering the contest, so it was exactly the prize I was hoping to get.
When we went to the Sydney Wildlife Zoo, it was just so fantastic.
It was incredible to see the animals from Australia.
The zookeeper that was giving us the tour was really phenomenal. I like the Tasmanian devils.
We got to see the koalas up close, and they were just so cool.
That's always fun, get the selfie with the koala.
We had lunch with Joe over at Squires Landing, and it was so fantastic.
Right on the water with an amazing view of the bridge.
Well, it was nice to meet Joe and to hear what Microsoft is doing in Australia.
And then we went to the Microsoft store.
I love the store, and they had really helpful people.
We got to play with the VR, which was really fantastic.
A fantastic racing simulator.
Even though I wasn't very good at it.
The selection of hardware was unbelievable. And being able to put something 27 inches down to table level to work on, that's just a whole new computer experience. And we got Surface headphones, which I thought was very, very considerate of the store to give them to us.
Going on this helicopter ride all the way from Sydney to the Hunter Valley was amazing.
I've never been on a helicopter before. A little nervous at first.
And the view of Sydney Harbor and the way here to Hunter Valley was just amazing.
Got up really early to get on a hot air balloon, and it was one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life.
Heading up, as the sun's coming up, the light from that was amazing.
It's so quiet and drifting on the air currents. It's just, something you just can't believe until you try it.
I would have never thought I'd be throwing a boomerang.
Paul was very entertaining. The guy is amazing, being a champion.
Paul gave us these boomerangs that had art put on them. It was the thing I honestly wanted to find the most while I was here.
The trikes were amazing. Sit there and enjoy the view and the wind.
Never been on anything like that before. It was like a roller coaster mixed with a motorcycle.
Yeah, just an amazing ride.
The rewards program is great. It doesn't cost you anything. What's not to like about something like that?
It was honestly the best trip of my entire life, and I'll never forget it.
Thank you, Microsoft Rewards, for a trip of a lifetime. It's just been amazing. Thank you.